Hi. So as you can see, I have installed the Android application in two different Android mobiles. Okay. So here I have added two control, one for playing the music and another one is here on the start for showing the captured data that's you're gonna send from the or through the sound. Okay, so let's perform some kind of the testing. So let's I am putting here hello. Okay, and before that we need to also enable on the other device the capturing process start. Okay, so here just I need to click play. So as you can see here, I just transferred the hello message through and kind of the sound tune, and here it is correctly received. Okay.